Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about the chapter fractions. So first of all we need to know what are fractions. A fraction is a number which represents a part of whole. Example, this whole we have divided into 4 equal pieces, and as it is given, a fraction is a number which represents a part of whole. So over here the whole is this circle, the part is this piece, and the fraction is 1/4 which represents this part of the whole. So 1/4 is the fraction over here. Then we move on to proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is greater than 0 but less than its denominator. Example, 2/3, 4/7, etc. So it's nothing but a fraction whose numerator is greater than 0 but less than its denominator. So 2 is greater than 0. A fraction whose numerator, 2 is numerator and it is greater than 0 but less than denominator, as 2 is smaller than 3. Same is the case with 4/7. 4 is smaller than 7. So these two are proper fractions. Then improper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is equal to or greater than its denominator is called an improper fraction. Example, 7/3, 3/2, etc. So it's opposite of proper fraction. Over here, the numerator should be equal to or greater than its denominator. Like 7/3, 3/2. Over here the numerator is 7 and denominator is 3. So 7 is greater than 3. So it is an improper fraction. And over here 3/2. It is same because 3 is greater than 2. So these are called improper fractions. Then mixed fraction or mixed number. A number that consists of 2 parts, a natural number and a proper fraction, is called a mixed fraction or a mixed number. Example, 2/3/4, 3/3/4, etc. So now, a number that consists of 2 parts. So you can see that 2/3/4, it consists of 2 parts, a natural number. 2 is the natural number and 3/4 is the proper fraction. So when both of these are joined, it forms a mixed fraction. Then, one more thing we have to know is that improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction and mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. How? I'll show you. So first of all, how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Suppose 7/3. So this is an improper fraction, and now to convert in mixed fraction, just this is 3, 7. So 3 2s are 6 minus 1. So we will do the division like this. 3 and 7. 7 should be divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And now to write in mixed fraction, the quotient will be written here and the remainder will be the numerator and the divisor will be the denominator. So we got the mixed fraction as 2/1/3. So it is that easy. Now let's see how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it is also very easy. Let's see 2/3/4. 2/3/4. So over here we should multiply the denominator with the 2, with the natural number, that is 2. 4 into 2, and whatever the product we get, it should be added to the remainder or the numerator. So it will be like this: 4 into 2 plus 3 upon 4. So 4 into 2 plus 3. 4 into 2 plus 3 upon 4. So 4 2s are, it will be 8. So 8 plus 3 upon 4. And now 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So 11 upon 4 is the improper fraction. I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to like fraction. Two or more fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. Example, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, etc. So, over here, 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7 both have the same denominator, that is 7. So, they are called like fractions. Then unlike fractions are opposite of like fractions. It's nothing but two or more fractions having the different denominators are called unlike fractions. So, example, 2 upon 9, 4 upon 6. Over here the denominators are different. 9 and 6 are different. So, unlike fractions are called. Then, equivalent fractions. Two or more fractions are called equivalent fractions if they have the same value. This is important. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2 and 3 upon 6 is the example. So if we multiply 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 2, we will get 2 upon 4. If we multiply 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 3, we will get 3 upon 6. Now, if we reduce 2 upon 4 in simplest forms, we will get 1 upon 2 only. And if we reduce 3 upon 6 in simplest forms, we will get 1 upon 2 only. So that means these three fractions are called equivalent fractions as they are joined to each other. Then ascending order. Over here, first of all we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So it will be like this. 2 9s are 18, 15 will not be divisible, and 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12. Then again 2. So 9 and 15 are not divisible. Then 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now 9, 15 and 3. These three are not divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, just that much. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s and 3 1s are. Then 3 1s are 3, and then 5 is left. So 5 1s are 5. So we get the LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We will get 360. So first of all, we need to convert the fractions denominator in LCM. That means we should convert 18 in 360 by multiplying 13 upon 18 into 20 upon 20, as 18 20 is 360. So 260 upon 360 will be the answer. Then like this only we have to do all the other fractions. Then we will get the like fractions, then arrange them in ascending order easily. Then don't forget that we have to write them in original also. That means 192 upon 360 was derived from 8 upon 15. 210 upon 360 was derived from 7 upon 12. 255 upon 360 was derived from 17 upon 24, and 260 upon 360 from 13 upon 18. So 8 upon 15, 7 upon 12, 17 upon 24 and 13 upon 18 is the answer. Then descending order. Over here 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7 and 7 upon 10. So first of all we need to find the LCM. The LCM of these three denominators. It is 70, as 2 5s are 10. Only 10 is divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10. Then 5. 5 1s are 5. 7 will be as it is. And then 5 1s are 5. Then 7 1s are 7. So 2 5s are 10. 10 7s are 70. So 70 is the LCM. Then now, as we did in the previous question, now we have to just convert the denominator in the LCM. That means 1 upon 5 into 14 upon 14. We will get 14 upon 70. Then 3 upon 7 into 10 upon 10. We will get 30 upon 70. Then 7 upon 10 into 7 upon 7 is 49 upon 70. So we have got the descending order. So simply it is 49 upon 70, 30 upon 70 and 14 upon 70. So now we should remember that we have to convert them, we have to write them in original one. We have just made them into like fractions. But the original are 7 upon 10, then 3 upon 7, then 1 upon 5. So this was the descending order. I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.